screws line up. The only problem is they're right under that doggone. Right under that. Under the beam there. Under that thing there, but I think keep forgetting that it doesn't. Okay, there we go. No screws here. No screws here. And now the next thing, there's one I got to put in here, so I got to get that aligned and put this one dead center. But okay, next step is to figure out where that center is. Well, I measured out on the other one. From here to here, it was 26.5. Dead center. This side to this side, put it right out here, bringing it in, 26.5. From front to here was 14 3/4. And that's where I've got it. So we're gonna take it from one of those. Middle of those 3/4. 26 3/4. All right. Next. Okay, here we go. Check it one more time. 26 1/4, or 26.5, and 26.5. Alright, dead center. Final drill there. First one. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. I like it. Sweet. Now that is a bolt that goes through that up into this. So there he is right there. You can see I got the tension springs off of it right now. The lifts off of it right now. this thing here, a piece of wood. Where we went to? Where the hell did a piece of wood go? That would be the wood just a second ago. Where'd you go? What the heck? No. Why are you over there? Okay, there we go. Bulb on the other side of that. There I wrote. Maybe in that one. Right, that's it. Screws. My board here. Okay. Oh, come on. Messing around me now. Line out, dorks. That's loose. Next. Lines. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, banging the camera. Just banging the camera. Alright, we're all lined. All the screws are in. Bolts are in. Got a bolt in there. Wow, 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 wow. Let's see what's it doing here. Oh. Keep touching the doggone running light there. That. I guess the next step's going to be getting that, getting it prepped and sanded and completely installed. So that's what we'll quit today. I've got mess with that, and we'll be good to go. All right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next Project Stang.